Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing amazing. Today I'm preparing a traditional meal. As you can see here, we got smoked fish. This is a smoked tilapia fish, and the ingredients we're going to use: 1 tomato and 1 large onion. We got salt and then seasoning cube, and we're gonna use peanut butter for preparing our tilapia, smoked tilapia fish. So this is what we're going to cook for today. And we got vegetable here. It's all washed and waiting to be cooked about a month ago. So in case you haven't watched, go and watch and follow how I smoke this tilapia fish. So today I'm showing you guys how I prepare smoked tilapia fish traditional way, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. In case you're new here, you're most welcome. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support and watching my video throughout. Yes, so now let's start our cooking. The onion first, because I want that smoky flavor of onion into our meal. So I'll fry the onion first before we add in our fish. I'll just add a little bit of cooking oil because we're using peanut butter. You don't need to use too much oil. So what I will do is I'll cut the fish into half. The onion is all fried. A little bit of vegetable. I have spoon. And our seasoning cube, guys, Maggi. This is Maggi. And then stir. And cover. Allow it to cook down a bit. When it is cooked, we'll go ahead and add in our fish. So now let's go and wash and clean the fish. So the fish is here, it is all washed, very clean. Here it was, it's clean. So I'll add in hot water. It's already boiled. Just add in the little bit and then follow with the fish. Like that. I'll let it cook for 10 minutes and we'll go ahead and add in our peanut butter after when it is cooked. So guys, our fish is cooking this side. I've transferred it from here to here, and then here I'm going to start preparing the vegetable. The oil has already heat, so I'm gonna go ahead and add in our chopped onion in the pan and let it cook. So guys, our onion is ready for adding in our vegetable. I'll go ahead and season it with vegetable. Then followed by a little bit of water. Yeah, then I'll add in the vegetables and let it cook for 5 minutes. It will be ready. I'll add it bit by bit because it's a little bit full. I'll add more after when this one has steamed down. So guys, our fish is all ready. Now it is time for us to put in the peanut butter. So I'll add it here into the peanut butter, warm water, and mix it, and then I'll pour into the fish. Yes, see? So I'll mix. So I'm done mixing the peanut butter. As you can see, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and add it into the fish. So this is our peanut butter. I'll add it there and allow it to cook for about 2 minutes, and then it will be ready, because it doesn't take long to cook. So guys, what do you think about this video? How do you cook your traditional meal? Please comment down below and let me know. Yeah, and then subscribe, like, and share with your friends and family, guys. Thank you so much. This has really reminded me, it has brought me a lot of memories of my childhood growing up. So this is how my mom used to prepare for us our traditional meals, most especially the dry fish. This is how we eat it. There's nothing, just only fish, tomato and onion, and then peanut butter. You don't need to put in spices because we want that natural flavor of the fish. You don't need to add spices, and it doesn't cost a lot of money. So yeah, so today I've gone back to my childhood memories. So yeah, then I'll cover it and let it cook for 2 minutes, and then that's it. Fish is all ready. As you can see, all ready and done. Now it's time for me to make the linya. We call it linya in my language, so commonly known as ugali in Swahili. So now I'm going to make the linya. Let me put it aside here and cover halfway and let it cool down while I make the ugali. So this is boiled water. I'll add it in the pan, in the saucepan. That's enough. And today we are making brown ugali. It's sorghum flour. It's not corn flour anymore. So this is our sorghum flour, guys. Yes, as you can see, this sorghum flour is very healthy than the corn flour. It's very nutritious. So we're gonna use this one today. So I'll add a little bit. This is how we used to make our ugali after putting the water to know if it is boiling. I don't know the reason why they put it like that, but that's how I was taught. And then I'll wait and let it boil. When the water is boiled, and then I'll start making the ugali. Water is boiling. Let's start making our brown ugali, guys. In the boiled water, I'll add in the flour. I don't normally measure. I'll just use my eye and see if it is not enough, and then I'll continue adding the flour. Add more. More. Oops. As you can see, the texture is already changing. It's becoming thick. So that flour is enough. There's no need for me to add more flour. So this is our staple food of Madi. So today I'm making Madi traditional meal. It's a very simple meal. It's not very hard, doesn't take long, just only in 30 minutes it will be ready. Even if you have a guest at home, as long as you have your dry fish home, and mostly we make our peanut butter, we store in the house, and then the fish, the dry fish as well, we store in the house. In case of anything, you're running out of idea, you have something to cook. So if you have an invited guest, you still have something to cook for the guests, guys. Just only in 30 minutes, the food will be ready. So guys, our ugali is all done. As you can see, there's no flour there. Yeah. So it's time for me to, I'll scoop it here. Grab it with this. See? Our linya is coming out so perfectly. And then I'll put it here. Look. Time for us to serve our food. So our smoked tilapia fish with peanut butter, it's here. Guys, look at that. The aroma is so delicious, guys. The soup is very rich. Look at the peanut butter. Yes, and then we got our vegetable here as well. The vegetable is also ready, so we are going to serve it now. Yeah, let me grab. Yes, that the fish, our smoked tilapia fish, guys. It came out so delicious, guys. Yeah, put it here and get the vegetable. Look at that, absolutely delicious. So guys, our food is all served, is here. So this is our traditional meal. Yeah, this is our traditional meal. We got linya. This is godo linya. We call it godo. Yes, and then this one is vegetable and our smoked tilapia fish. It's cooked with peanut butter, guys. This is our staple food of Madi. So our Madi traditional food, guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. In case you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below so that next time when I upload new video, you'll be the first one to be notified. And don't forget to share with your friends and family, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Yes, God bless you all. I'll see you in my next video. Yeah, bye bye.